Rose Odinga has settled into her new home on the outskirts of Nairobi. The 45-year-old mother of two can access piped water and electricity here, services she never had in the 26 years she lived in Kenya's largest slum, Kibera. Rose formed an informal savings society named Razak in 2011, which brought together like-minded women with the goal of building decent houses for their families. The women then partnered with Kenya's National Cooperative Housing Union to construct houses for its members.
Unaweza toka nje uplant hata sukuma yako, mahindi yako.
You can plant vegetables and maize outside. You have some space to farm such things that you can't find in Kibera. Security here is so sweet, not like Kibera, because you have to walk in alleys where you can easily be mugged. But here it's very open. The security is very nice.
Kenya is facing a housing short, especially for low-income earners, and needs to build 2 million affordable city homes to stem the growth of its sprawling slums. In Razak, members need to save up a lump sum of about $3,000 to begin construction. Once granted a house, the member can move in and repay the outstanding balance of $10,000 via monthly payments on a reducing balance for about 7 years. Farida Yaqub Mohammed, a member of Razak living in Kibera, is currently saving up for a house.
Mashida yetu ni maji.
Our problems include lack of water, insecurity, there is air pollution here in Kibera, and our toilets are not good. That is why we are working so hard to save so we can be allocated houses by the cooperatives in future.
After a low capping interest rates was introduced in 2016, banks tightened credit conditions for housing loans to low-income persons with no credit history. Cooperatives, however, have more flexible terms and conditions.
Through cooperative, because of the number, we can be able to buy a piece of land much more cheaply. Because the bigger the piece of land, the cheaper it is. So as a group, you can buy land much more cheaply than when you simply go and buy a plot as an individual from somebody who bought a piece of land cheaply, divide the plot for the purpose of making money.
Informal credit is helping Kenyans bypass the high cost of setting up decent homes in urban areas, giving them alternatives to finance the cost of land, labor, and construction materials. Vik Chege, CGTN.